Hi everyone, this is Machakos Scouts camping site, and I arrived here at around 3 p.m. yesterday, and it was a very, packed with activity because the scouts around this particular area, I think the Machakos area, they are celebrating the founding fathers of Scouts, Bard and Powell. So they came in camping through the weekend. Yesterday was their first evening. So I had a beautiful entry. I camped and slept over here. The night was a bit with drizzling. We had a bit of drizzling. At the same time, the winds were strong. It's an open area, a very wonderful space with trees. We have guys all over camped in different places, the schools, which is amazing. So I did bike parking, and so this one offers me an opportunity to explore some of the beautiful things that nature has while using a bicycle to enjoy spaces like this one. And so this is how I'll wrap up my day here, and then head out back for the rest of the weekend. And so it's quite impressive to be in such a beautiful space marked with nature, quiet at night, and just a nice reflection place. When coming here, you can pretty much carry your cooking stuff so that you're able to cook. The toilets are accessible to my left, and then we also have different angles in which you can be able to capture moments and spaces. From here you can have a beautiful view of the town, and also what we call the governor's office. I'll take a photo of it and you see it from here. Then Machakos Junction towards the other side. So it's pretty much a very lovely space to be. There's a school bus that is backing up. Yeah, so if you like camping, if you don't want to do it by yourself, I'm more than happy. We do it together. We can traverse different places, then find ourselves in beautiful camping places. I hope to identify more so that it can be almost like every month there's a place to go camping while being on the saddle. So that is primarily it. I'll figure out which other places are around. And that should be, in my thinking, it should be something not more than 100 square kilometers within the area that we are in, so that one way would be like 100, then back is another 100 kilometers. That is quite viable for one to enjoy the ride and then arrive while a bit exhausted, so that the camping also becomes an experience by its own. So we'll see how more of this come into play, but for now that's recommended good.
So what I did is making a circuit. So I'll be joining the Machakos route just in a few at Machakos Junction, and the road that I used, which will be going towards Bote, then about 7 kilometers. Though a little bit bumpy, but it's straightforward because there are not many, which makes it a very nice road to make a loop.